So hello everyone, welcome to the detailed market analysis video. Here we are going to discuss Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty Finance weekly basis. Similarly, some stocks which are trading at 52 weeks high. We are also going to discuss the technical analysis in this video. So let's start with the Nifty. Nifty, you can see that from the bottom, it has continuously weekly basis last more than a week. It has continuously showing negative patterns, but the Friday closing, if we remove the Friday closing, then also the pattern become negative. But the Friday has, just because of market has moved really well, so that's why this zone is looking a little bit of positiveness over there. We can find that out. And now 19,220 is a zone to watch out very carefully. If it is we get any closing below that in daily basis or in the weekly basis, then the negative patterns can be continued. So for weekly basis, we can easily can see that this 19,500, then 19,000, almost 680, all these zone will be the negative area for Nifty, resistance area for Nifty, and 19,220 to 19,200 will be the big support area. We also can use the Fibonacci, we also can use this Fibonacci retracement. Let me change the color. So Fibonacci retracement over there, you will find that it has taken from exactly point 0.236 support. It has taken exactly support from there. Similarly, the next support that is coming around 18,794 or 18,000, somewhere around in this area. So we also can mark that zone. This is a very important area. Market has quite previously has taken rejection, and before continuously this rally market has retested that zone. So that's why this zone is very important for us. If it is break 220, then 18,750, 18,800, 900, all these zones will be a important area. So please mark that for upcoming days. It will help you a lot. And for now, 18,500, like if you see that in the daily time frame, for better understanding, 18,500 is a zone to watch out very carefully. It is a zone market where 19,446 is a zone where market has taken rejection previously, but this time the volume is very high. The candle pattern is very bullish, although it don't even cross that level. But yes, if it is break that level, 19,540, 550, all this level, we have discussed that video in the intraday analysis video, so you can watch that for better understanding. So yes, above that, all this level can be tested in intraday basis. Similarly, we also can draw this trend line from where market is facing rejections. Okay, only above breakout of that range, market can break the resistance level, and sometime toward 90,600 it will little bit of consolidation, and then market can reach toward this 20,000 level again. This is a very important area. If you see 50 days moving average, it is trading taking support from. So that's why a lot of people are trying to buy over there, and very important area, very important support for Nifty. Okay, so this is for Nifty. Now moving towards let me moving where I will find Bank Nifty. Okay, let me search that. Go for Bank Nifty. And also add Fin Nifty over there. Okay, so quickly discuss about Bank Nifty over there. So in the Bank Nifty, like Nifty, if you see, first see the weekly basis. In weekly candle, if you see that 43,750 is a zone from where market has taken support. Okay, first of all, let's see the Fibonacci zone. It has exactly taken support from 0.238. So this is a very important area. And from last 2 weeks, if you see, it has totally trading in the range between 45,000 toward 43,800. Below that, below this zone it is trading. So 45,000 we have discussed in the intraday video also. This is a zone to watch out for the possible positive movement only possible above 45,000 level. This is a main hurdle area according to the technical pattern, as well as in the option chain we have also discussed that. So that's the level we have to watch out very carefully. So below 43,700, if it is anyhow given breakdown, right? And then the possibilities are there. Then 42,638, and 50 days moving average also trading over there. So all this level can be tested for upcoming days. So we have to be very careful over there. This is a very important area for Nifty, Bank Nifty. All these are trading at very good support area. There are two possibilities. Number one, it will, if 45,000 after breakout, it will continue its rally to all time high. Otherwise, as it is showing from the last 1 month selling, it can retest a bit, then can show further selling. There are two possibilities and we have to play on it, right? So moving towards the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, we can see the momentum is the Friday candle that actually saves the market, right? And the market, why Friday has moved very well, because of our GDP news. It is growing exceptionally well, and that's why we have that saved us. So above 44,800, 44,845, above this zone, W kind of pattern also can be activated. If you see in the daily time frame, in now Bank Nifty is daily time frame, daily candle, it is taking rejections over there. So 40 from the 50 days moving average, this green EMA. So above that, further movement is possible around 44,800, 44,500. If you see, this is the main huddle area. Above the W kind of pattern will be activated in 46,000, 46,400. All this level can be tested for upcoming days. Similarly, in the daily time frame, it is if it is break that range, then primary support you can get from 43,300, 350 in this zone, and below that, then 200-day moving average. Similarly, if you see, previously taken resistance and support 42,600, all these zone will act as a support area for Bank Nifty. Okay, so now moving towards Fin Nifty over there. In the Fin Nifty also, if you see in the first see in the weekly time frame, if you see in the weekly time frame, Fin Nifty also taken a support from very good level. The zone is like this, right? Previously multiple time taken rejections, and now it has taken support from here, trading in the zone of between from the like Bank Nifty 19,900 to 19,500. Between that it is trading. So that's why it is a very important area to watch out. Like Bank Nifty, both possibilities are there. If it is break that 20,000 resistance hurdle, then all-time high further it can be tested. Otherwise, after the pullback, if it is break 19,500, we can see all this down move in upcoming days. Okay, you also can use the trend based retracement over there for the perfect understanding, from this to this. And if you connect that, you will find from zero point 0.5 from where market has taken support. Below that, the support area is coming 19,060, and below that 18,427 is a zone to watch out. So let me also mark that zone. This is for a weekly basis I am discussing, so that will really help you. And if it is break that level, so all this level can be tested in upcoming days. And now moving towards the daily time frame. So daily time frame, like Bank Nifty, it is taking resistance from the 50 days moving average. 19,810 is a zone. If it is break that level, then 19,897 to 900 is zone can be tested. Then W kind of pattern will be activated. So that's why I am saying this is a very important area to watch out. If tomorrow 19,000, you can, I would say, please watch the intraday basis analysis. If you see 19,800, how much important it is. If it is break, then 19,900, and above that W kind of pattern will be activated over there, just like this. W kind of pattern will be activated, and then this will be the hurdle area 20,100, 20,487. All this level will be the hurdle area for this fin nifty. Okay, now moving towards the stocks which I'm going to discuss with you, very important for all of us. So in 52 week high, if you see, so first start with uh, sorry let's start with the TVS Motors. TVS Motors, if you see that weekly time frame, so it has break its multiple time resistance area from June, July, August, September, from the June, sorry, weekly basis. From the June, it has continuously taken rejection from its high, all-time high 1386. Now it has given breakout. So whenever you will find it is, see, now the stop loss will be a little bit high, but the volume, if you see, it is very very high. So the if you can afford little bit of risk, you can now take entry over there. Otherwise, just wait for the retest. Whenever it is come in this area, you can plan for long from here. Okay, whenever it is retest that zone, you can go for long from here, and your stop loss will be somewhere around 1290 will be your stop loss, and you will get a very good target over there. If you see, it has break all time high. Whenever it reach towards this all time high like previously, it has continuously consolidated like this, then given a breakout of, if you see, previously also it has happened, it has given a breakout with huge candle, retest, and then continue its rally. So if you can wait for the retest. Whenever it will come around 1380 to 1400, in this zone 1386 to 1400, we can plan for long in TVS Motors for upcoming days. Okay, now moving towards our next chart, that is M&M. M&M is almost break its 52 weeks high. If you see that zone, the zone is somewhere around here, 1577. It has break, now trading at almost 1591. So yes, here you can take entry in M&M now, and here your stop loss will be around 1500 will be your stop loss. If you see, this will be your stop loss here, and if it is break that resistance zone, or given false breakdown, false breakout, and then come below the resistance area, then in kind of pattern will be activated, and then for that sense, that's why 1500 will be a very prominent support, prominent stop loss for us. Okay, so if it is break that zone, then our next target, almost for, see, M&M, these stocks will be very good for upcoming days. Their future plan, the car they are going to launch for upcoming days. So what, all this will be very good for upcoming days. For their future plan is also high. They are profitable. So yes, we can expect very good target in upcoming days. So primary, our target will be around 1738. This is the target for upcoming days in M&M, and above that we can see further movement over there as well. But so far 1738 will be our target for M&M, and 1500 will be our stop loss. Okay, now moving towards our next stock, that is RVNL. This is also stocks from PSU sector. If you see, RVNL, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, it has given us very huge breakout. It has totally consolidating from last few years, then given a breakout, then consolidated from almost November to April, almost more than a year it has consolidated over there, and now it has given breakout, now consolidating between 144 to 115 in this range. So yes, I am discussing a little bit of early basis. So above it is break 143, this zone you can plan for also long over there. Here your stop loss will be 118, that will be your stop loss, and yes, you can expect very good target in above area, but the primary main target will be our like M&M. Here our target will be 180, in the consolidated zone, this will be our first target, and above that you also can continue your journey above that range as well. Okay, so this is RBNL. We have discussed RBNL, TBS and MNM. Now coming towards JM Financials. JM Financials in the weekly basis, the technical pattern, if you see, after the correction from the top, I am just moving that in the big time, big screen. So if you see that it, after the correction, it has consolidated, make double bottom kind of patterns, and now facing resistance in this area, and the resistance have, it has break that resistance level. So in JM Financials, our stop loss will be this candle slow, will be enough stop loss for us. Otherwise, this, see, if you can afford, our technically our stop loss will be 75. Okay, and there are also 50 days moving average over there, right? And now it has taken support from 200 day moving average. So according to your preference, 75 or 71, this, both of, if according to your preference, you can set your stop loss. But as it has given a breakout, you can now can take entry over there. And our first target will be this swing high. This is around 95. If it is also break that level, then 110, 108 to 110 will be our next target for JM Financials. So you can watch that carefully. Very good target you can achieve in upcoming days, right? It has faced a very good correction from 118, now trying to recover that, so hopefully it will. And I don't know this trend line, you can also draw the trend line for your preferences. See, this trend line previously worked as a resistance area, now has given breakout, but I don't think that has anything to do with this horizontal. This horizontal line will be more helpful than the trend line, so it is enough. So above that you can take entry. 95.30 and 108 will be our target, and if it is also given breakout, then 111, 112.5, our stop loss is very low, so we can trail that very carefully over there. Okay, so the JM Financials you also can watch out for upcoming days. Then this latent view, this is a very interesting stock if you follow the defense related news. So latent view, after the IPO of, it has very good gain. I can remember that I have also applied for that, but didn't get the allotment over there. But latent view, it has very, working really hard in the defense sector for our Indian company. And if you see the resistance area, the previously it has faced hurdle around 419. From there it has now taken support breakout, and now it has retest. So yes, and 419 will be your stop loss over there, right? And now you can plan for long in latent view, and 511 will be your first target you can expect. And above that, 592 will be your next target you can expect in latent view. This is a very good stock. Of course, obviously you have to hold all that stocks for at least 4 to 6 months, I think. At the 4 to 6 month to 7 month, as this is the weekly basis analysis, so obviously it will take some time. But yes, the volume is rising. If you, I'm just removing, if you see the volume from the last 1 month, it has continuously rising. So yes, we can expect in upcoming days to get target around 511 in upcoming days in latent view. Now moving towards our next target, that is MCX. MCX, if you also discuss that weekly basis, it has 1670 was the hurdle area. I am just shifting towards this is the hurdle area previously, and it has break that level 1680 to 1700. And whenever it will come towards, if it is come to retest that level, you can plan for MCX for upcoming days. And yes, here your target will be around 19558 to 2000. All this level you can watch for upcoming days in MCX. Very good opportunity you can get. If it is come around 1680 to 1700, you can take entry, and your stop loss will be around 1546 will be your stop loss. 50 days moving average also trading there, so it will be more sufficient enough. So above that you can rally that, and we'll get a very good target over there for sure. The last stocks MTR take, it is also from the defense, and you know it works with, I think, ISRO. If you see that all these stocks latent view for work in defense and in the space sector, MTR takes is working really hard. And weekly basis, if you see, it has break its all time high area, and you can take entry over there. And that the possible target will be, if you calculate that, the target will be very very high, around 3800. The zone is coming, although it is a very big target, but yes, it has the possibilities. If it is retest that 2500 level, it will be more beneficial for us. If you also see the RSI is little bit of oversold in weekly basis. So if it is come towards 2500 in this level, you can plan for long. The very very good target you can expect over there in MTR tech. Also discuss that a bit more in the daily time frame. If you see from the last 3 days, the volume is continuously rising. So yes, you can plan for in MTR tech as well for upcoming days. And this is also a future, you can add more in the future. All these stocks will be very beneficial for us for future perspective. All these stocks will be very good. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. I have discussed Nifty, Bank Nifty, Finance, that weekly basis, continuous details way, and also 52 few stocks. You can analyze that and then can make your decisions. And that's all for this video, and best of luck and have a good day. Bye.